Hi guys, let's talk about sales. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not a sales guru or sales expert over here. And for the majority of my career, sales has been an evasive topic for me. It's been a big challenge for me, and I could not figure out how to sell. But in the last 2 years, I have spent a lot of time, effort, energy, money in trying to understand sales, trying to learn sales. And in fact, last year, I made an investment in my business, and one of the main purposes of that investment was to learn the art of sales and how to connect with my audience, with my marketplace, how to put myself out there. And so much so, it was the best decision that I made because I was able to churn out a return on investment of 100% in just 4 short months. An ROI, ladies and gentlemen, of 100% in just 4 short months. Now, how many of you would like that in your business? So today's video is just me talking about my learning so far, my journey into sales and what sales means to me. And I hope that you find it useful, you find it beneficial in some sort of way. Maybe you can pick 1 or 2 nuggets out of this video and use it immediately in your business and create some results for yourself. So, hi everyone, my name is Nikhil. I'm the founder of Bulletproof Teams. Now, here's the first thing that I learned about sales. Sales is nothing but a conversation. It's nothing but a conversation of 2 or more people coming together. And if you are out there selling, it's your job to figure out if or how you can help your customer or marketplace to truly get what they want, maybe what they need, or maybe what they desire. That's the true purpose of sale. That's the true purpose of sale. It's a conversation to figure that out. If or how you can support them, if or how you can help them truly get what they need. Help them create the end result that they truly dream of. That's your job. And in all that process, you are using that as a platform to discover that need. Help your customer get that clarity. Help your marketplace get that clarity of what is it that they truly need. And in that process, figuring out if you, my friend, if you are the right person to be able to deliver that to them. Because if you are not, it becomes your responsibility. It becomes your responsibility to raise your hand quickly and say, hey, listen, I hear you, I understand what you're looking for, but I am not the right person to get that for you. But I'll do my best to connect you with the right person. So it becomes your job to be honest, to be congruent with yourself, to be honest with your marketplace. Because, as much as we wish to be the one-stop solution for all, or maybe able to convert every sale that comes across the table, we may not be the right person. So this is something that I learned. This is something extremely valuable that I learned, and that would be the second point. That it is also my job to constantly identify if I'm the right person to be able to help them get what they truly want, need, or desire. So it's a conversation. It's really a conversation. Step 1 is a conversation coming together to figure out if or how you can help them, and if you can't, then it's about being honest on that front. That hey, I'm not the right person for you, but I'll do my best to connect you with the right person. So and if you operate from this place, like at least that's how I do. It's paid massive dividends for me. It's created massive results for me, and it just makes the process of sales so much easier because I am already setting up myself for either outcome. I know it could be a yes, it could be a maybe, it could be a no, and that's what it is. When it's a conversation, the baggage around sales just drops completely. Now, again, the third thing that I want to share about sales, and again, I'm just sharing my journey, is that it's not a one-time transaction for me. I am not looking to just make a quick sale or just a sale for the heck of making a sale. I am trying to look how we can build a relationship, ideally a lifelong relationship, which is not just it's not just 2 people that know each other for the rest of their lives. It's about how they can create a relationship of trust, collaboration, cooperation, so that they can mutually benefit out of it. They can mutually create success together. That we can grow together. That we can truly grow together. We can create growth not just for one of us, but for both of us. So that's what I'm actually looking at all times. Now, it doesn't mean that every sale is going to result into that, but having that as part of my values, as part of my sales process, my sales system, it makes a huge difference on every sales conversation that I have. So, because it's actually about creating an ecosystem or a community of growth around you. So sales is an avenue and opportunity to do that. To be able to create a platform for everybody to succeed, for everybody to move forward in their business and in their life. And it's definitely not a one-way transaction for me. It's not a one-time thing. And it may happen. It has happened in my business. I'm not going to lie about it, right? But even in that process, I'm still trying to always build a relationship, because hey, not every sale is going to keep repeating. Maybe I'll do a sale to someone, let's say this year, and then we go through whatever I deliver my service, or I deliver my service to them, and then we end our journey at that point. But then next year we may have it again. So that's where the point number 3 comes in, that if you're constantly working on building a relationship of trust, collaboration, cooperation, and constantly delivering value to your market, constantly keeping in touch with them, that's where that lifelong value comes in. That's where that lifelong partnership comes in. That's where that you can create a cycle of growth for everybody. So it's about creating a win-win-win. And what's the third win over there? The first win, of course, is always us. Like I got a sale in my business, so that's a win for me. But the second win is that making sure your customer gets what they want. Making sure your customer gets what they want. That's the second win. And the third win is that making sure your customer's customer gets what they want. So that there's that endless loop. Because when your customer is able to deliver that value to their marketplace, and now they have tasted true success, they are happy, they have a sense of achievement, it's going to come back to you because you help them get that. So remember, is that the sale is a conversation for you to figure out how you can help your customer, your marketplace, your potential target market to get what they truly want, need, or desire. It's your job to identify that constantly. It's your job to be honest about it if you're not the right person for it. And it's your job to figure out how you can create a relationship around that of collaboration and cooperation and a lifelong relationship, not just a one-time transaction. So I understand there are various types of products and services. It's 2020. It's a diverse world. It's a crazy time for all of us. There are all sorts of things. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope you can pick some nuggets out of this and really implement in your business and see, maybe it'll help you crack the code of having that sales conversation, right? Because for a lot of us, and it was for me too, how do you have a sales conversation? So when you just have it as a conversation and a discovery conversation to talk about what do they really need, and if you can figure out that for them, if you can help them get that, it just makes it easier. At least it made it for me. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this helps you in your sales. Now before I sign off, there's something important that I just remembered, that always remember, everything that we have in our business, in our life, has been made possible only by our customers. Because we go out there and we sell our product and service, and they pay us money for that, and that money helps us get our office, get our homes, get all the goods, all the food, everything that we have in our homes. Maybe the cars that you buy, the clothes that you wear, the food that you eat, the travel that you do, the vacation that you've been on, all that good stuff, everything has happened, it's enabled because of our customers. So have that view when you're in a sales conversation, because that customer is not just paying you money, that customer is helping you create the lifestyle that you truly want, that you truly dream of, that you truly desire. So help them get what they truly desire, and you'll get what you want. So that's what sales is about. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay bulletproof, and I will see you in my next video, guys. See you. Bye-bye.